Mumbai Airport on June 12 announced the enhancement of processing capacity, expansion of entry gates, enhanced biometric integration. Mumbai Airport can now handle approximately 8,000 passengers per hour, a significant improvement achieved through infrastructure, enhancements, and streamlined processes. Wait times at the curbside have been reduced to under 1 minute, benefiting both DigiYatra and non-DigiYatra passengers across both terminals. Artificial intelligence and machine learning-enabled cameras will be deployed to enhance security measures at the curbside, ensuring robust safety standards. The number of terminal entry points, e-gates, has been increased from 24 to 68, marking the highest number in the country. This includes 34 e-gates specifically reserved for DigiYatra passengers, facilitating faster processing and smoother flows. Terminal 1, dedicated to domestic flights, now features dedicated DigiYatra and non-DigiYatra e-gates, further enhancing passenger convenience and overall operational efficiency. An additional 118 e-gates are being deployed at the Pre-embarkation security check (PESC) area in Terminal 2. These gates will streamline passenger movements with biometric validation, allowing DigiYatra passengers to pass through without needing to show physical tickets, boarding passes, or additional identity verification.